Clinical psychology is a specialist area that deals with understanding and supporting an individual's mental health to help a young person deal with their mental health when it's having an impact on their daily life. Clinical psychologists have a specialist understanding and knowledge of mental health difficulties that an individual may struggle with and ways of supporting them. We don't tend to diagnose or to prescribe medication. We more try and look at the individual and see what kind of difficulties they may be experiencing and how we might be able to support this within the context that they live in. At Eleos, the clinical psychologists work with a variety of conditions. We work with young people who may be presenting neurodevelopmental difficulties, mood difficulties, difficulties with anxiety or low mood, and we try to understand these and put them in a formulation to see how we might be able to support them. As a result of this initial assessment, we will then put all of these details into a report. The outcome of the report will have some recommendations for how we might think that the family might be supported by Eleos. This might include another meeting with a psychiatrist, it might include further neurodevelopmental assessment, or it may be that they might want some further therapy with a clinical psychologist. And that's what's really helpful about our clinic, is that we have everything in-house and we can all work together, and we meet regularly to think about what different professionals with their different expertise would be helpful for that family or young person. When young people and children or adults are coming to Eleos Clinic, I think it's really important if they'd like to do some research about where they're coming. So some practical things such as looking on the website, looking at the premises that they might be coming to. We'll always be there to answer any questions about what the appointment will entail and give them as best an idea as possible.